Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to change message tone on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. And sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see here the message tone. And the message tone is set into Realme jingle. So you can change this by tap the message tone. Here in message tone, okay, and alert tone section, okay, you can see here the option of message tone. So the message tone is set into Realme jingle, so you can change this on this option. So you can scroll down for more message tone available. And okay guys, I decide for my example, I select or change into tones message tone. So you can tap this to select, and okay, so go back. And now we have successfully changed the message tone on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.